Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Riaz, chemical engineer. I have a knowledge in the production industry, so I develop a simple process for making your oxygen from the air. Here I explain you how we can overcome the oxygen demand. Worldwide oxygen shortage because of the coronavirus. Overcome the oxygen shortage, a simple method of air purification and the production of oxygen by PSA method in manually. In this method give you a continuous oxygen supply to the patient depends upon the availability of the air compressor. Oxygen mainly produced by two methods. One by cryogenic process by cooling the air to negative temperature, and the other method is pressure swing absorption method using a zeolite molecular sieve. Large scale industries are using automatic system to produce a large quantity of oxygen, so the processes look like a very complicated process. I simplified the process in very low level. An unskilled person can also operate the unit. I used GI pipe fitting to fabricate the unit. It is locally available wherever you can get the material to fabricate the unit. First we need an air compressor to produce airflow and the system pressure. For that we have availability of air compressor in the puncture shop. In everywhere we have a puncture shop. In every puncture shop they have a air compressor. Nowadays lockdowns are going on, so the shops are closed, so we can rent or borrow from the shop. We can use it. The spray painter also having the same compressor, so we have a compressor now. So let's go for the process. This is a process flow diagram. You go through it and take a screenshot and take a printout, and you will come to know what is there. This is a simple process. Two zeolite bed here. It is operated alternatively. First left side is in line and then right side is in out of service. The fabrication of the unit we will see in the last session. First we will see the process of the unit. Here the compressor is connected to the two unit. One open and one is closed. The compressed air from the compressor is going to the three-way valve and it is directed to the zeolite bed, and it is purified. The nitrogen is absorbed by the zeolite and the oxygen is released, and the oxygen is going top through the NRV and it is going to the receiver tank. We can store the oxygen in the storage receiver tank, as well as we can direct to the patient regulator. Simultaneously, the next bed absorbed nitrogen is released through the oxygen which is coming to the top, and it is went out to the bottom of the three-way control valve which is closed. For the next cycle we have to close the left one and open the right one. So the right one will be in line, so the oxygen will be released and nitrogen will be absorbed in that bed. So the process is in continuous process, so we can get a continuous flow without interruption. Same process, that left side bed is filled with nitrogen, so the oxygen is going top to bottom to release the nitrogen and ready for next service. Operation is very simple. Open left side and close right side. Then every 1 minute or purity of the oxygen in the outlet. If the purity goes low, change over the thing. Close the valve, open the valve, close the valve, open the valve. This is the procedure of the unit. For making a zeolite bed, you require, if you have a 4-inch pipe, then you take a 2 feet length, that is 24-inch length, and give it to the welding shop and make like this. Double side flanged and end cover is both the end or half-an inch threaded holes, or you directly weld the half-inch union to the both end cover. Zeolite packing is such like that. First bottom wire mesh, then scrubber pad or cloth which is air freely moved and dust will not come out. Then you put the zeolite particles over, and then you have to cover it with the scrubber pad or cloth, then wire mesh. The packing must be very tight. The loose packing will release the nitrogen along with the oxygen, so the zeolite bed is very tightly packed. Accordingly you have to fill the zeolite. Approximately you require 4 kg of zeolite per bed, that is 4-inch dia pipe, 2 feet length pipe will occupy the 4 kg approximately zeolite will be. The air compressor outlet is connected to the T, and the one point is going to the other unit, and the above T is going to the three-way valve. The three-way valve should be flow direction according to the diagram you have to ensure. Inlet has to go direct to the bed, and the reverse side will be bed to outside vent. Fabricate according to the diagram, whatever things it is shown. So kindly arrange these things and make tight fittings of that. This is the bottom fitting of the zeolite bed, and we will see the top fitting of the zeolite bed. In the top of the zeolite bed, the thing you have to keep in mind is the NRV direction. The NRV direction is the very important to this concept. The flow direction is mentioned. Accordingly, you have to fix the NRV. The bed outlet is going to the T joint. Then the T joint is above arrow will be the NRV. The vertical, both the NRVs are upward direction. Flow is towards top. Horizontal NRVs are direction from left then right. So accordingly you have to ensure the direction. The both horizontal lines are connected with a small valve. That valve is a throttled valve to use to regenerate the bed. Accordingly we have to throttle the flow of that. This is a final diagram. You go through it, and accordingly you have to ensure the correct flow direction of all the things. Here air is the working fluid, so there is no hazardous. If there is any leakages, so no hazardous. In this unit only hazardous is the pressure setting. So in the compressor itself there is a pressure setting will be so you make sure the pressure setting is working or not. If the pressure setting of the compressor auto cutoff is working good, then the system will be safe. If you want any further clarification, please comment it what help you want. I am ready to help you. This process is very simple and very quickly we can fabricate it in 2 to 3 hours. We can fabricate it. The oxygen, pure oxygen will be immediately you will get. And one more thing, this supply should not be given to the hospital cylinder tank directly. Okay, this unit is very separated. This is because of the it is not in the medical grade. So to avoid the contamination of the medical grade oxygen, so you can keep the separate line for this. This oxygen you can use the non-critical patient only. Okay. Here is a single bed operation. Single bed used to produce the oxygen. The zeolite is absorbing the nitrogen. Once the nitrogen is absorbed, we have to close the supply and open the vent, so the nitrogen will be released, depressurize the system, so nitrogen will be released automatically. Then we have to open the valve to pressurize and produce the oxygen. Here the main role is NRV. NRV is provided to the system should not depressurize, the receiver should not depressurize. So only the zeolite bed which having the pressure will depressurize and the nitrogen will release. After depressurization, then you take in line for service. This is a pulse setting method, so receiver is very important to hold the pressure. Here some of the specification of the compressor, how much flow it will give, what is the procedure. Different compressor capacity, different flow rate will be available. The safety of the unit is only in the compressor settings, the control pressure, and then system pressure is maintained by the compressor. So the compressor will auto start and auto stop according to the pressure, so it is safe to use. Okay, that's all. If you feel this is the process is working and to reduce the oxygen demand in kindly go through the process and make it and save the life of the people in the corona period. I hope this method is very useful to produce the oxygen in. This process is used to help village people, those who have not able to get oxygen cylinders or oxygen facility. This method is really used because this is a simple method. We need only a air compressor from the puncture shop or spray paint. Then we simple pipe fittings only required to fabricate the unit, so it is very useful and very easy to use. Thank you. charity, welfare, or NGO can actually doctor can help to treat the patient, but the technical issue engineers only can handle these technical issues to solve the problems. Electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, chemical engineers, instrument engineers all together can work with the. This will help to reduce the oxygen demand in village side hospital. This method is developed for oxygen crisis in the world, so we cannot calculate the efficiency of that method by only thinking of supply and production of the oxygen in village area by using availability of material in local market. Hope this method will reduce and save the people life. NGO and private organizations, charities, welfare has to think it to do develop this method to save some people's life who really need. I request my dear engineers to help people something you can develop some process. Doctor only do medical treatment. Engineers hand together to develop some simplify the technical problem. For example, additional of ventilation increase the number of ventilation in the single pipeline and distribute the oxygen supply to all the units of beds. Feel free to talk to your nearest doctors, sharing your knowledge and experience in this pandemic period to save life of the peoples. Thank you so much. If you want any clarification, please comments. I will clarify your doubts and all the needs.